Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to activate BitGet Cash Wallet. So let's start. So first is BitGet and wallet and cryptocurrency wallet for Web3 activation involves downloading the app or browser extension and creating a wallet for a specific network. Google Wallet for contactless payment, storing loyalty cards, and more. Activation involves setting up the app and adding payment methods. Cash App, Bitcoin, and Wallet requires identify verification, name, date of birth, ID, and potentially a selfie to enable Bitcoin withdrawals and deposit. A new payment service in Europe that requires activation through a participating bank. BrackPay, an e-wallet service focused on Southeast Asia that requires identify and confirmation with valid government ID within the Grab app. So that's how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's not difficult. You can activate it, and well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.